Good evening.
Good evening, Hiba. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm okay, thank you, God.
Good evening, teacher.
Jamila, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are
Ah,
you too?
pretty good. I have to thank God.
Okay, thank you.
Zainab is coming amazing. Tagreed is coming. Let me accept Tagreed and we have to start because at 8 I have another class. Okay. So I think I have to share the screen and we have to start our lesson. Let me open the book and let's complete from the point that we have stopped. So this is your book. I think we have to go down to this point. No, we haven't reached this page yet. So I have to go up. Yes, okay. So guys, I think we have solved this exercise, which is talking about every, no, some, and any. Absolutely, these indefinite pronouns, you have to use them with body, with where, and with thing. Sometimes they are a little confusing, so you have to be careful. It's not the end. Now I think we have to solve the exercise 7 because we have to tick the correct sentence. Then we have to start a new page. So the exercise is saying we have to tick correct next to the correct sentence. Number one is saying anybody is on the phone for you, or somebody is on the phone for you.
Somebody is on the
Somebody?
Oh,
phone.
bravo. أكيد somebody. Why? Because the sentence is positive, not negative to say any. So somebody needs you. Two, I don't have anything for your birthday, or I don't have nothing for your birthday.
Anything.
Nothing.
Anything.
Oh, no,
اوكي
anything.
لا anything لأنه
Anything
negative.
and
Negative.
negative.
Negative, exactly. So I cannot say I don't have nothing. Three, I want to go somewhere hot for my holidays. I want to go anywhere hot,
Somewhere.
somewhere exactly, because it is
Somewhere.
positive. Four, I learning English or am learning English.
I'm
I'm
learning
I'm
learning.
English.
learning.
Absolutely, you have to write the auxiliary. There is someone is trying to join us. Let me. رائد. Okay. Finally, we
تيتشر انا
have
فوت متاخر ما عرفت شو عم نشتغل.
we are correcting these sentences غدي. We are selecting the correct sentence.
اوكي وكيف من واحدة الصح وهي الغلط؟
Number one is saying, I have to say somebody is on the phone, not anybody is on the phone, because the sentence is positive.
اوكي
Exactly.
اوكي
Two,
فهمت اوكي.
I have to say I don't have anything. I cannot say I don't have nothing because this is no negative, not negative. Three, I want to go somewhere, not anywhere, because it is positive. Four, I have to say I'm learning English because I have to write the auxiliary. Don't use the
اوكي
verb ing without auxiliary. Five, she isn't working hard or she is no working
She
hard.
isn't.
She
شي
Working
اذا
hard.
isn't exactly.
She
She
isn't.
isn't working hard. So these are the correct sentences. Now, let's talk about the next page. The next page, guys, we have a text. This text is talking about living in the space. Absolutely, we have to read the text. After the text, we have some questions we need to solve. Keep in mind, guys, that reading is really important. You have to read fast, you have to understand the main idea, and you have to fully get the meaning because you have to answer the following questions. So the title is Living in the Space. Absolutely, all of you should read. Now I think I have to ask Ghadi, can you hear me? Ghadi,
يس يس بس
please,
الواي فاي شوية بعيد عني.
I need you to read this paragraph, please.
Okay. Science laboratory. Uh,
Is Ghadi out? I think Ghadi is he isn't.
oh no no بس أنا الواي
Okay.
فاي عندي شوية.
Please, I'm waiting.
A science laboratory. Uh, kilometer from Earth. Propulsion from flying to Mars. Uh, teacher في حدا يقرأ عني قبل.
Why, Ghadi? Is it hard?
في كلمات لا في كلمات ما عم بعرف
Okay. Hiba,
teacher
can
بلش
تغريد? Yes, please. Can you read
yes
this paragraph?
yes of course. A science laboratory 360 kilometers from Earth, a preparation for a flight to Mars, a cathedral in the sky, the International Space Station, or ISS in all of these. At this very moment, the ISS is orbiting the Earth at a distance of 360 kilometers, and it is flying at 28,000 kilometer per هيدا الشخطة بالإنجلش شو بيقولوا لها؟
This is slash, but I have to say تغريد per hour. كل ساعة.
per hour. Yes. It goes round the earth 16 times a day. It took more than $100 billion and 14 years to develop. It is the most expensive thing ever built.
Thank you so much, Tagreed. You have a good reading skill. But can you read this word to me again?
Cathedral?
Cathedral. Exactly. And this word is
Earth?
exactly. I have to say it is Earth.
Yes.
Okay, I think guys, you are level 2. Now you have to stop saying Earth. You have to say Earth. Okay. Thank you
By
so much.
mistake.
I know you are a good reader, Tagreed.
Thank you.
Hiba, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Please, paragraph number 2.
Okay. The station. The first part of the station went into space in 1998. Astronauts started to live on it in November 2000. There are usually 3 astronauts on board, and they stay for about 6 months at a time. Over the years, there have been over 200 visitors from 15 different countries. Supply ships arrive about 8 times a year.
Amazing. Thank you. You are a good reader. But can you read this word?
6 months.
اوكي اذا بدي
months.
اقول months اكيد لانه اذا بدي اقول month معناها شهر بينما months شهور فاس البلورال لازم تلفظ بوضوح أكيد لحتى المستمع يعرف إنه أنا بقصد البلورال.
Okay.
What about this
Okay.
word? Supply.
Supply.
برافو. supply يتزود أو يزود.
Okay. Okay.
إذا كان army جيش يزود بالمؤن I have to say supply. And
Okay.
this verb is
Arrive.
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 arrive. arrive يصل. I arrived home. وصلت إلى المنزل.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Hiba. You are amazing in reading. Okay.
you.
Now I think I have to ask, let me check your names. Jamila, are you okay?
Yes.
Please.
يلا. AIM space NGSs in the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and Europe are working together. They are using the zero gravity of space to do experiments in biology, physics, and astronomy.
Mhm.
They are learning about living in space over a long time and the effects of this on the human body. The astronauts are growing planets to make oxygen. They are studying the Earth's weather. They are studying the Earth's weather and geography, and they are looking at planets and stars to understand the origin of the universe.
Amazing. Okay. Can you read this word, Jamila?
Planets,
And this word?
plants.
Exactly. This is plants. This is planets. طبعا
Yes.
plants تعني نباتات بينما planets
Perfect.
الكواكب. برافو.
Yes.
What about this word?
And NGs,
Agencies.
agencies.
برافو. كلمة agency تعني وكالة. Space agency وكالة الفضاء.
Okay. يعني
This
space agency.
agencies.
agencies يعني space agencies.
Exactly. وكالات الفضاء في الولايات المتحدة. Okay.
Okay.
This word is
Experiments.
experiment.
بدل S.
No, yeah, you have to pronounce the S, plural, أكيد. Experiments.
Experiments.
برافو. So,
Okay.
to do experiments, أكيد experiments تعني تجارب.
تجارب.
برافو. بدهم يعملوا
طب تيجي
تجارب.
انت كنت مسطر لي على هذه كلمة study أو studying.
Yes. Can you read it?
studying.
Studying. It's studying.
اوكي طب teacher أول كلمة title طول هيدا الباراجراف كيف بنلفظها aims؟
living aims الأهداف. يعني شو الهدف من الذهاب إلى الفضاء؟
اوكي انه نعمل
aim.
experiments.
برافو. aims الأهداف. aim هدف. the station المحطة يلي حينطلقوا منها أكيد على السبيس، على الفضاء. Okay, thank you so much, Jamila. I think now I have to ask Raed, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Please, I need you to read An Astronaut's Day.
An astronaut's day. Astronauts work for 10 hours a day during the week and 5 hours on Saturday. The rest of the time they are free. They wake up at 6 and have breakfast. There is a meeting and they decide the day's plans. They have an hour for lunch, then more work till dinner at 7. Lights out is at 9:30. They do 2 hours exercise every day because weightlessness
مهم.
شو هاي؟
اها اوكي رائد. اكيد اذا بدي يكون جايز عندي كلمة طويلة فاكيد لازم اقسم الورد into syllables. weight تعني وزن. weightless عديم الوزن. weightlessness عدمية الوزن أكيد رجعتها لناون. so weightlessness. weightlessness.
Weightlessness.
exactly.
Okay, weightlessness affects the body's muscles and bones.
Amazing, thank you رائد, you are a good reader. But how can I read this word?
Planes.
planes تعني طائرات وأكيد في حرف الإي. so this is planes. this is plane طائرة. planes طائرات بس هاي مش planes.
Plans.
plans برافو. plan خطة. plans خطط. so
Okay.
please you have to differentiate between planes and plans. Thank you so much right again you are a good reader. I have to go back to تغريد to read about the food paragraph.
Yes. Food. There isn't a real kitchen, but there is a kitchen table. All food comes in tins or packets. There is fresh fruit only when a supply ship comes. Astronauts eat with a spoon. It is a good idea to have food with a sauce so that it stays on the spoon and doesn't float away. They like spicy food because in space the sense of taste isn't very strong.
Thank you so much تغريد again. But can you read this word?
Real?
Okay. Guys, real طبعا double E تعني مقطع فيديو قصير. real. But this is not real. This is real. برافو real. Okay. So this is real. مقطع فيديو قصير. This is real. حقيقي أو واقعي. This word is
Ship?
shape. Exactly. So it's not sheep, but shape.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Tagreed. You are amazing. Hiba, can you read the final two paragraphs because the final one is short.
Okay. Personal life. هيدا
Wait, please, Hiba.
food.
Wait, yeah. No, I think تغريد went about food. But wait, Hiba. Ghadi, do you want to read?
Yes.
Please, because you haven't read yet.
Natural lives. They have their own sleeping uh, com compartment.
Uh-huh.
They sleep in bags attached to the wall because there is not up or down in space. They sleep standing up. Uh, they have their own clothes and books and the laptops. The temperature is always uh, seven Fahrenheit. So astronauts usually wear short and t-shirt. There is a shower, but there are two toilets. In their free time, they send email home, read and play games. But when they like to do best in look out of the windows at Earth below.
Okay, can you read the final paragraph?
Future of the ISE, ISS. The ISS is the first of many space stations. There isn't a date yet for a manned
Manned.
tribe, manned tribe to Mars, but the space agency
Agencies.
agencies are really talking about it. One thing is sure, at some time in the century it will bus
Mm-hmm.
certainly happen.
Okay, okay. Please, can you read this word again, Gadi?
Uh, Attached,
Attached. Attach. We have a
attached.
chip. So attach,
Okay.
attached. Okay, don't forget that the TH is a chip. The CH. Okay, so attached. Can you say it again?
Attached,
Okay. What
attached.
up? Exactly. So attached. So this is a chip.
Okay. There,
What?
there.
It is the, not the. So it will be
ما أنا ما سمعت
there.
بس في كتاب ما عرفتش there,
Exactly. This is
there,
there. And this word is
they.
they.
Yeah. Yes.
I know that you have this problem, Ghadi, but you have to overcome this problem.
Yes أنا على طول بهودي بغلط ما
I
عم يطلعوا معي
know, not
مزبوطين.
only you, غادي كل الطلاب اللي معلمين فرنش لانجويج عندهم مشكلة الذ والث. والمشكلة جايز إنه هيدي المشكلة عم نعاني منها من الطفولة،
هذه
فحلها صعب.
72
Mm,
72 degree Fahrenheit.
exactly. And this word is
Right.
tribe. غادي tribe تعني قبيلة. This is tribe. This is not a tribe. This is what?
Trip,
Trip.
trip.
Exactly. Trip تعني رحلة. This word is
Okay. Uh, already.
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 Exactly.
Talk,
And
talking.
okay. خلينا نجرب غدي في بعض الكلمات جايز قبل الحرف الأخير تحوي ال. هيدي الكلمات إذا كانت قبل الحرف الأخير عندي ال، هال تكتب ولا تلفظ. يعني نحن بنسميها silent ال. صح تكتب بس أنا ما بلفظها يا غدي، مثل talk.
Okay.
And can you say it please?
Talk.
What about this word? Wait. This word.
Walk.
Bravo. Talk and walk. This word is
Oh. Cloud.
could.
Cold.
could. كمان
Cold.
بنلاحظ انه عندي ال
Okay.
قبل الحرف الاخير. This L is silent. What
Yes.
about this word?
Wood.
Would. Bravo. What about this word?
Shoot.
Bravo. What about this word?
Have.
Bravo. What about this word?
Wolf.
wolf. برافو. فلاحظوا جايز انه كل هالوردز عندي ال قبل الحرف الاخير. This L is silent. I have to write it but I don't have to say it at all. So please keep them in your mind لانه هيدي الفيربس
Okay.
والناونز هن اكثر الاسماء والافعال شيوعا واستخداما بالانجلش.
Okay.
Do I have something to okay. So this word is again غدي.
Talking.
برافو. Talking. This word is
Sure. Sure.
sure.
Sure.
Sure. So I'm sure أنا واثق. Sure حقا.
Okay.
Okay. This date is
21 بس
21
ST
what?
ما
هلا نحن درسنا الديتس بالليفل 1 صح جايز أو لا؟
yes.
cardinal and ordinal numbers.
يس. فمعناها خلص صار الوقت إنه ألفظ الديت بالشكل الصحيح. فهيدا الديت كيف بلفظها؟
21st.
21st. برافو. 21st not the 21. Please, this is date,
Okay.
not number. This word is
century.
برافو century قرن في القرن ال21. That's it. Thank you so much, Ghadi. So you are a good reader, but you have to overcome the problem of saying the s instead of the and the. Okay, so this is it, guys. This text is about space, working in the space, living in the space, the aims, the food, and the goal of visiting the space. I think I have to open the book twice because we have to check if these sentences are correct or no. Absolutely, they are about the text. But I'm going to open the book twice just to be able to read and read the text and read the questions at the same time because you have to read to know the correct answer. So guys, the question is saying we have to read only the first part of the article and we have to check if these sentences are correct or no. So let me show you the first part of the text about living in the space. Let me go up fast. I think, yes, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Let me go to the part one. And I have to adjust my screen like this. Yes, yeah, I think this is the best that I can do. Okay, so guys, now the question is saying, we have to check if these sentences are correct. If they are false, we have to correct the false ones. Number one is saying, the ISS is flying very fast.
False.
True.
How did you know it's false?
مو أنا
كيف عرفنا انه
مو
خطأ؟
هي خطأ ولا صح أنا ولا لا؟
هلا المعلومة بتقول هي بتطير it is flying على سرعة 28,000 كيلومتر بالساعة يا حبيبي، فمعناها what؟
very fast يعني.
Very
لحظة بس
fast.
سؤال، مش هي
True.
Fast.
هيدا الاي اس اس
Very
مش
fast.
هي المنظمة، مش هي الستيشن؟
برافو، هي اسم الرحلة أو
طب كيف
المركبة
بدها تصير زي منظمة يعني مبنية
لا
بنا؟
لا، مركبة فضائية. اسم
اوكي
اسم المركبة اللي
اوكي
فضائية
هلا فهمت. طيب اوكي لكن ترو.
It is true. Okay. Two. It's flying a long way. A long way يعني بعيدا عن الأرض.
يس
Yes.
ترو.
True.
It is
True.
true
Around the
because
Earth.
It goes
Of
bravo.
360 kilometers.
360
kilometers.
kilometers. This is really long distance. So it is true. Now three is saying it goes around the earth. تدور حول الأرض كل 90 دقيقة. Is that true?
False.
False.
What?
16
False.
times
Goes
a day.
around
False.
the earth
16
16 times a day.
16 times a
برافو.
day.
يعني تقريبا بيطلعوا 135 دقيقة every
Yes.
exactly not 90. That's amazing. So it is false. I have to say every 135 minutes, not 90. Now four. New supplies arrive once a month. طبعا supplies مو من الطعام.
False.
False.
Wow.
8 times a year.
8 times
8.
a year.
So supply ships
Time a year.
arrive about 8 times a year. So this is false, not once a month. 5. The Americans are competing. Competing يعني يتبارى أو يتحدى against Russians and Europeans. Are they competing?
فولس.
False.
لا هو
False.
بيتعاون.
Bravo.
Without-
They
working
are working
Working.
together,
Are
not
working together. Yeah.
Exactly. So they are working together, not competing. 6. They are doing a lot of scientific experiments. It
True.
is true. They
Wait,
are
Yes.
doing
True.
like what?
Zero,
Like
like
gravity, bravo.
Biology,
Like
physics.
biology, physics, astronomy. Astronomy أكيد علم الفضاء.
علم الفلك.
Bravo. So correct. Now 7. They are learning about the Earth and its history.
Yes.
True.
Are you sure?
True.
False.
False.
Studying
About
the
False.
living in
Earth,
space.
weather, and
Uh-huh.
geography.
Bravo. They are learning, this is it, learning about living
Yes,
in
about what?
space.
الفضاء.
برافو. العيش في
Okay.
الفضاء لوقت طويل. And the
A long
effects,
time.
bravo, the effects on living away on the space on the human body. So this is wrong. Finally, they are looking for life on other planets.
True.
Amazing. How did you know?
True.
The astronauts are growing plants to make oxygen.
Okay.
Exactly. So they are looking how can we live in another planet. So exactly, this is a true.
Teacher
Okay.
أنا آخر واحدة ما فهمت.
The last one is saying they are looking for a life. هن عم يبحثوا عن حياة أخرى على الكواكب الأخرى. ليش هن عم
Yes.
بيعملوا تجارب؟ فبدهم يشوفوا كيف تأثير أكيد العيش في الفضاء لوقت طويل a long time. وشو تأثير العيش في الفضاء لوقت طويل على الإنسان human body. أوكي.
والفضاء فيه أكسجين.
هلا عم بيدرسوا إذا في أكسجين أو لا. So they are studying the Earth's weather إذا الطقس مناسب للبشر and geography. So they are looking for another
Okay.
life in another planet. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, I think these questions are not that important. So now I think we have to solve exercise number 6, which is saying we have to know the refreshing of these numbers. What do these numbers refer to? 100 billion. This number is for what?
Took more
It
than
took
100
more
billion.
than 100
More.
More
billion
than,
to
yes.
develop.
Exactly, to develop
To the, yes.
the ISS. Exactly. Now,
The first
now,
part of the station into place.
exactly. So this is it. The first part of the station went into space. So this is the date about
They stay
1998.
for about 6 months
6
at a
months.
time.
6 months at a time. So it is about staying for 6 months at a time. At a time في كل مرة. 200 what?
Have
Visitors.
done over 200 visitors.
Visitors. Exactly.
يعني
From
زوار.
oh, bravo. From what?
Different countries.
Different countries.
15 different
15
countries.
different countries. Exactly. Eight what?
8 times a year.
Different.
8 times a
Supply
year.
The
ships arrive
supplies.
about
Exactly. Supplies arrive 8 times a year. Let me connect my
شو يعني
laptop.
بالعربي supplies؟
التزويد بالمؤن والطعام. عم يزودوهم بالمؤن والطعام بالفضاء. هذه 8 مرات كل سنة. اوكي؟ فسوبلاي
Okay.
يزود بالمؤن.
Okay.
What about zero? Zero what?
Zero
They are
gravity
using the
Gravity.
zero gravity.
Zero gravity of
Oh,
space.
bravo. There is no gravity on the space. Exactly. So these are the most important things or information about the space, but it's not the end. Now we have to practice listening. Guys, here we have a recording. This recording is talking about this astronaut. Now we have to listen to this recording and the interview about this person. I'm sorry, his name is a little hard. And after listening to this recording, we have to answer these questions. Number 1, who does he work for? 2, what did he study and where? 3, where is he from? And is he married? 4, what are his interests on Earth? What is he doing on the space station? 6, what does he do when he isn't working? Finally, what does he think about? So please listen carefully because maybe the recording is from the space and we have to answer these questions. It is the recording 10.8. So we are in unit 10. That's amazing. We are about to finish this course. So this is recording 8.
Tape script 10.8. An interview with an astronaut.
Soichi, what exactly is your job?
I'm an aeronautical engineer, and I'm a JAXA astronaut.
What is JAXA?
JAXA is the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency.
What did you study at university?
Well, I studied engineering, of course. Aeronautical engineering.
Where did you study? Which university?
I studied at the University of Tokyo, and I graduated in 1991.
Which part of Japan are you from?
I'm from Yokohama, Kanagawa, which is part of Tokyo.
Are you married?
Yes, and I have 3 children.
What do you like doing when you're on Earth?
Well, I guess my hobbies are jogging and basketball, and I like skiing and camping with my kids.
What are you doing on the space station at the moment?
I'm doing quite a few spacewalks. I'm going out into space, and I'm checking the instruments on the outside of the space station to make sure they're working properly.
You're part of the Russian crew. What does this mean?
It means that my commander is Oleg Kotov from Roscosmos, and I'm working in his team. We're studying weather conditions in space, and we're doing experiments with plants to see how they grow in zero gravity.
What do you do when you aren't working?
Well, I spend a lot of time just looking down at you on Earth. And I think how lucky I am to be here. And I wish that everyone could see the Earth from space. Maybe people would stop fighting if they could see how beautiful our planet is.
So this is the recording about this person, a Japanese one. Now, guys, we have to listen slowly, part by part, just to answer all the questions. So, number 1, what does he work for? Let's repeat.
He is the
He is engineering and
Engineering.
Astronaut
bravo.
in Japan Aerospace.
Engineering. So he is an engineer. This is number 1. And he studied engineering where?
Tokyo.
University of Tokyo.
University of
Bravo.
University of Tokyo.
Tokyo University. Amazing. Now 3. Where is he from?
Japan,
Is it
Yokohama.
from
Yokohama. Oh,
Yokohama.
bravo.
Yokohama?
He is from Yokohama. And is he married?
Yes,
Yes,
and he
Yes.
have
he
3
has 3
children.
children.
Children?
He has 3, not he had, he has 3 children. Amazing. Now we have, I don't know if you have heard about the interests on Earth.
He liked jogging, sky, basketball,
Basketball, sky.
Basketball,
and
bravo.
camping.
Yeah.
And camping with his kids. Guys, do you know the meaning of jogging? Jogging نفس معنى
هي
الرننج.
شي جادو؟
jogging تعني الركض مثل running. اوكي؟
Okay.
برافو. بس جايز اكيد في فرق. هلا الرننج هو اكيد الركض بسرعة عالية، بينما الجوجينج بيكون في سرعة معينة فقط.
هرولة.
برافو, that's it. So this is jogging. Amazing. Okay, this is about his interests on Earth, but what does he do in space?
Going out into
On a walk
Looking
space.
out.
Spacewalks.
برافو, spacewalk. برافو, spacewalk. يعني بيتمشى بسبيس. What else? He's checking something. He is checking the instruments if they are working well. Do you know the meaning of instruments?